Okay, gonna let you in on a little secret. I got both sides back together. I put on the rotor just with a couple bolts finger tight so it doesn't move. I've got my T-square here. Check the vertical with my level, my little tape measure, so my T-square is pretty level. The car is ballpark, you know, it might be off a little bit, but it's on jacks, same size up, so it's close. And there's the suspension's at its lowest point, but when it's on coilover, suspension doesn't droop a whole lot. So you take the little measurement away from at the bottom to the T-square and the top to the T-square, and you get a difference, and this one was 1 1/8 inches from here to here in, so it's going the right way. And you do the math, this is 15.5 here on the total width of the rotor. So when you do the math, it says that I've got 4 degrees of camber, negative, which is not bad. Probably, maybe that's close. I think when the car gets weight on it and it picks up a little bit, this top control arm is really sagging below its midpoint. The bottom one's almost level, so it's not going to move a whole lot. It's out at the end of its, but the top one should, as the car comes up, should push the top of the out a little bit. So I probably won't do anything. I'll call that close enough, but that's better than I could. I can only get like 2 degrees before without having the setup that I have now. So this is actually, I'm kind of happy. I did this before on the other one, and it was, again, it was close, but not as good as this. So I actually got 4 degrees of negative camber on the rotor. And again, this is rough ballpark measure. It's not a full alignment, but it's just to check it so I can, maybe if I wanted to move it, I could re-shimmer, do some other stuff with it, but I'm happy with it. So I'll leave it there until I put weight on it, and I'll check it again with proper alignment tool.